What's going on, YouTube? Got another video. Rule number one: whenever you're working with cars, don't do the mistakes that I do. Use gloves. This is just me doing work without gloves. It's gross. Anywho, we're doing the oil change on the 2006 Dodge Ram. I have some of the engine oil. So I've been on forums trying to figure out what the best engine oil is. I have people recommending, for Mopar at least, right? People recommending Mobil 1 or Pennzoil. I'm gonna stick with Mobil 1 because I feel like Mobil 1 is just a very common brand that you can always find, and I don't have to worry about not finding, you know, Pennzoil. I mean, I'm not saying that Pennzoil is hard to find, but it could be. Got my oil, got my cones. I have my steps to drive up, got my tools. Gonna slide this over here. Got my oil filter to remove. Step one, get your tools ready. Everything you need. All right. This one takes about 7 quarts. And get your oil filter ready. Get that down there as well. All right. Step 2, take off the oil cap. Lets the oil come out a lot easier and quicker. All right. Step 3, get under here. Check out the engine. Uh-oh. Jello. Jello.
How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you doing?
I heard JC had his interview.
All right, guys. So I had to grab a 13. This 13 fit perfect on the oil drain plug. I kind of started a little bit. See if it'll just fly out. You know, there it is. And then get that going. And then I kind of monitor this. It overfills very quickly. I gotta figure something out because look at that. It worries me. You see that? Look at that. But I want to order something. I'm gonna order something. But next thing is gonna be the oil filter. I ordered an 0890, and they mentioned that the 0890 is going to be it, so I hope and pray to God it is. I don't know if this will fit. I pray it will. Let me see. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Oh, this thing's got a strong magnet. Oh no, it does. Yeah, this does fit. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, that's right. So this is a bigger one. We're gonna need like a 14 on there. 1, 2, 3. Nice little tight feel in there. Slide this over to the oil filter side, or suspension part, sorry. But I'm gonna check back. Once I'm done with once that's done leaking. So I got it off. Now what I'm praying is this is gonna fit. This one here, the MO80. So you grab some of the old oil, get it in there, got it on there, kind of, you know, move it around in there. Now that it's got it in, find the hole. That's funny. Find the hole. There it is. I found the hole, guys. There it goes. It's threading. Oh yeah, so it did work. The MO80, and you can just hand tighten. Look, just got a little squeeze. Boom. Boom. There. it's on there pretty tight, so you don't gotta do like a crazy. I mean, get a nice, nice grip on that. Make sure it's tight in there, right, but not like crazy tight, right? So that's done. So now we got those tied. Move your oil pan down. We can get everything else from the sides. So that's a good done deal. Last step, putting in the oil and clean up, because I made a mess. But it's 7 quarts, 520 full synthetic. Let me play some cleanup. Drop it in here. I'll do the big one. Oh, it's a slow pour, all right. This thing recommends I always do every 3,000. All right, that was number 1. $520 full synthetic quart number 6. Going down. Almost looks like a different color. Now, I was looking online about additives on the oil. There's people saying to add and there's people saying not to add. I'm not gonna add because I'm just gonna do the regular maintenance. As long as you do the regular maintenance, you're gonna be fine. That's what I'm understanding, right? So let's stick with the regular maintenance. Every 3,000 miles should do the trick. Plus I got my strong heavy magnet, so we should be good, guys. This truck was in need of that oil change. I don't know if y'all saw that color of that oil coming out. It was like really dark. So that's good. Go ahead and clean that. Oh. Top it. All right, there it is. Nice and tight. That's done. All right. That's how you change the 2006 Dodge Ram 5.7 Hemi 1500. Don't forget to add that magnetic, especially to catch any of those metals or debris or whatever it is. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I'll drop that link for that magnetic oil drain plug. Catch you on the next one. Oh, by the way, 5,500 subscribers we've already hit. Very excited. Gonna be doing a giveaway. Got some ideas. Keep in touch, or stay tuned. Keep watching. Peace.